following the tracks. I added it yesterday. Just follow the biker that's in the bike lane. Dismount.
Following others.
Yeah. It's not illegal if other people do it, right? Turn and say hi. Huh? Say hi. That should be a cool shot.
An accident.
You know what? I think I might actually start keeping this on my helmet when I bike to work, because at least then I'll have like proof, right?
Well, that's the only, that's the primary reason I would get one. I think. You got the license plate, everything.
Watch out, guys.
Ride her up, guys. Ride her up.
Go ahead. You regardless, as long as you know how to handle it, but
So,
wow, that guy almost fucking fought. What the hell was that?
the guy got mad because he crossed, and they say it's a pedestrian crossing, and it's like, you sort of put him out.
Who got mad? The bicyclist?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, well he deserves to get a little,
Yeah.
well, not punched, but
Mauled by the dog?
maybe. Yeah, that's how people get hurt, right?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Pizza has opened.
Pardon? Oh, yeah.
Pizza has opened.
They're everywhere.
I was telling him I got one of these my bike bell off Kickstarter,
Okay.
and it's such an intense bell. It's not even funny.
Really?
Listen. This thing is loud.
And it has like that annoying tone.
Yeah.
You can't ignore it.
Yeah.
And yeah, I don't have a belt, so I always have to wait till there's like a lot of room before I can pass it. Because you don't hear a cyclist come on.
Yeah, we're quiet, right?
Yeah.
sucks because it's uphill. Front now.
So much cooler. That breeze coming off the water.
I know, eh? It makes the ride bearable.
It's a great day for it though. It's not actually too warm yet. Probably
No,
get warmer later
it was
on.
warmer yesterday. Hey, look, a swan.
There.
All right. Do you know how to get there through the mess of buildings?
Huh?
You know how to get there through the mess of buildings?
Well, the path just continues there.
Yeah, but it becomes disconnected at one point.
Say what?
It becomes disconnected at one point.
You got disconnected?
I think it gets disconnected at one point.
I don't know. Map said it just keeps going, but I don't know. We'll see. You see what that guy was towing?
Yeah. It was
What
like
did
a
it say?
sign. It was a sign.
Yeah, I didn't see what the sign said.
I don't see. Maybe we'll do video review.
Okay.
Well, you want to join them?
No, because it seemed like some protest nonsense. Or some like,
Possible.
you know, one of those people who really, really wants to have their voice heard.
Yeah. Their defensive breakdowns. And yeah, you're the lead. We're going to the left. Oh, I smell barbecue.
Corn or something.
Oh, this is the end.
Oh, that's it?
Back towards St. Tara, I suppose. Are you talking about the front or the back one?
The rear one.
I just put it on the other day, actually. Okay, so I don't know if it.
You okay?
Okay, it sounded like they were talking Dothraki.
No, but that's so terrible.
I know, eh? Another swan. Yeah.
We are describing this story.
That was an interesting bird. And this is where,
Is this the end?
well, what you would do is you'd go to like there, then there's like the like lakeshore,
Uh-huh.
and then it connects up again in like 2 kilometers.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
Xander takes up the front. Don't fall into the rocks. It would suck a lot. It would really hurt.
Mountain bike. Okay. That's where you fall a lot into rocks. It does hurt.
Trust me, I know. There's a falcon on that. No, it's a duck. At least I'm getting my money's worth with this camera.
Since you're using it a lot.
I do.
Yeah, but it makes a lot of sense. These cameras make a lot of sense. A couple years ago when they didn't have these cameras, they always had to take it out.
Yeah, exactly. So cross over to that path over there.
Yeah.
And that leads to the bridge.
And not the there's sideways suspension bridge, but the white one.
Yeah, the one that we crossed over. Go ahead.
Boating going on.
Oh, you could go canoeing.
On your left.
On your left.
That's how you do it. I don't know. I don't.
Fish hatchery or?
I don't know. To be honest.
Make it right here?
I guess so. Oh, because we're going up the Humber Pass. Narrow path. Go train.
Pretty sure Tiffany would love that.
The tandem bike. It's like you pedal for.
Oh, tandem? Like we rented a tandem in San Francisco.
Yeah, but like a regular tandem, right?
Pretty cool. But no, this is like special tandem where she was able to lay down.
What? What?
Canoe on the Humber?
What about the Humber River?
Yeah. Do they canoe?
Oh, yeah, I think you can. There was someone, you said someone is doing it.
No.
I'm pretty sure you can. Let me see it. Recording now.
It's not too far off. I can imagine some, how do you call it, people who like believe in Satan coming here and burning some cats.
Yeah, you have to probably wait.
He would have died right here on her like beach cruiser.
So we turn?
Yeah, just like here.
I told you, doubting myself makes me
Straight or right?
Straight.
Sometimes when I go down Avenue to work,
Yeah.
I can usually hit between 50 and 60.
Yeah.
So I've once hit 65. I was like, holy shit.
It's always hilarious when you're actually speeding on a bicycle.
Yeah. There's this thing on BlogTO this past week or two, posting like the best like inclines in the city for bikes.
Okay.
And there's one, it's near the Don Valley and sort of Danforth or something. I can't remember the name of it. But it's like, the guy's like, I hit 75 on this,